Looking for a 4-bedder with spectacular lush greenery and sea view? Let me show you a gem today. Come, let's go!
All the towers are elevated and have a distinguished, iconic look with a beacon of light. It's rare to find a million-dollar view with such gorgeous greenery and panoramic sea views. Research has shown that living near green spaces helps reduce stress and lower depression, leading to better mental health. I also like the fact that there's a huge amount of open space. 80% of the land at Normanton Park is dedicated to landscaping. In addition, there are lots of water bodies within the development. I simply love the magnificent view, especially in the evening when all the lights come on. Imagine you can just chill at your balcony and feel the gentle breeze on your face. The balcony area is also directly accessible from the living room to 2 bedrooms, making it a perfect place for stretching, exercises, or meditation. This apartment is 1195 square feet and has been reconfigured for a 5th bedroom. However, if you wish to revert back to the original 4-bedroom layout, you can simply remove the partition walls and the space can be used as a living room. All the rooms in this apartment are regular in shape and spacious enough to fit a queen bed, except for the added compact room which you can use as a helper's room. All the bedrooms come with full panel windows that allow natural lighting into the space. The wardrobes and cabinets are fitted with nice gold trimmings to add a luxurious touch. The bathrooms are generously sized and fitted with Kohler sanitary fittings, a luxurious and well-known brand. The cabinets have elegant gold trimmings similar to the rest of the unit. The dry and wet kitchens are for good size with excellent ventilation, allowing you to cook up a storm. The wet kitchen is equipped with quality appliances such as Electrolux. The dining zone is spacious and can easily fit a 6-seater dining table.
I'm Evelyn from OrangeTee AG. Do call me at 9787 2020. I'll be happy to assist you in your property journey. Your dream home awaits.